kanalynyň mehriban müştaklary, hormatly tomaşaçylarymyz. Biz häzir Gülzemin Sowda Merkezine yerleşen Altın Toy Mekanynyň kiçik zalyna. Bugün bu ýerde Amerikanyň Birleşen Ştatlarynyň ilçihanasy tarapyndan gurnalýan USA-nyň gala çäresi geçirilýär. Mehriban müştaklary, gelingini bolsa çäre gatnaşdylaryň käbiriniň çäre hakynda aýdyp berjek gurrunlaryny dinläliň.
So tonight we are so happy to be here to celebrate all of the wonderful people who have participated in US government programs, including exchange programs and trainings, studying abroad. We're very happy to be here to celebrate all these wonderful young people with so much potential and to see what they will go on to do here in Turkmenistan.
Thank you very much.
Absolutely. Thank you. It's a pleasure to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet with everyone. My name is Nigel Robinson. I'm a public diplomacy officer with the U.S. Embassy here in Aşgabat, and we're celebrating our first ever alumni gala, United States Government Alumni Gala. This is an opportunity for us to invite our alumni to come, celebrate their achievements, and to hopefully network and connect in order to continue to do great work between our two countries. So, as I said, this is a USG alumni gala, but it is for participants from Turkmenistan. So we here are in a room with over 200 alumni from Turkmenistan who have been a part of exchange programs, academic enrichment programs, and others. So we really have great representation of our shared bond and working partnership between our two countries. So with Flex, of our 200 plus alumni guests, almost half are Flex participants, which is a really great sign because they get to share how their experience was going on an exchange to the United States. And we're really excited given that Flex is returning this year to Turkmenistan. So it's a great occasion to celebrate.
Hello, my name is Tammy Palchika, and I'm the Public Diplomacy Section Chief at the U.S. Embassy of Turkmenistan. And tonight's event is very exciting because it's the very first time we've ever hosted an alumni gala. And the purpose of the gala tonight is to celebrate our alumni who have gone to the United States into a lot of different programs, everything from teachers to students to high schoolers to politicians, and just to celebrate the contributions that they bring to Turkmenistan and the knowledge they gained. And as you can see, there's so much excitement here tonight, and it makes me very excited. And of course, this is just the first step. We will also have an alumni association where we'll be able to have more regular meetings with each other and reach out to the provinces and just have opportunity to collaborate and network together. So the United States really values our relationship with Turkmenistan. This is one of our strong partners, and we are super glad to be here and to be able to promote the goodwill and mutual understanding between our two countries. We have a lot in common. I think we could say that all of our citizens desire world peace, and they desire to have good educational opportunities and they desire for their children to have those opportunities as well. So there's so much that binds us together, and things like this Alumni Association are opportunities for us to work together.
Oh, this is a wonderful event, an alum for all the various people who have studied on different programs in the United States, and it's so nice to see them all here. So I am here on a Fulbright scholar. I'm an American professor of economics, and I'm here teaching in Aşgabat at the International University for Humanities and Development.
Yes, I'm volunteering in here. I'm from Preferred Success Program. This event is called USG Alumni Gala. This event is organized by US Embassy. In here, all of our alumni are gathered, and we are here to help them. That's all.
Thank you.
I want to direct everyone's attention to the screens for a special word from Washington, D.C.
Inviting me to join you at your first ever U.S. Government Alumni Gala. On behalf of the U.S. State Department, please accept my heart. Our success can be credited to you, the alumni that these programs produce. Upon becoming alumni, you develop into leaders. You bring our people closer together, our governments closer together, and advance U.S.-Turkmenistan bilateral relations. Exchange program will resume after a 3-year hiatus. High school exchange fosters global citizens who are more open-minded
that come true. And I can't acknowledge all of them. Don't leave, my son. You stand right there. If you dream of being in a day and night, early in the morning, late at night, that's my son Isaac. There's a special person who is also largely responsible for what's happening tonight, and that's Syýahat Amerikanyň. We want to honor you at the front table. Tammy, Patrick,
a great opportunity to share expertise. I am empowering women from vulnerable groups to increase their visibility, social inclusion, to make a difference in people's lives. Therefore, I am so thankful for the U.S. Embassy, the State Department, IREX team, for building such a great, supportive network of change agents. Thank you.
This ceremony, I look into the crowd searching for a familiar face, and then I spot him, Hugh, my host dad from America. He's in the small courtyard of my school in little town of Balkan. I get absolutely overwhelmed by the fact that he traveled thousands of miles to be here for me. I might have shed a tear or two, but the thought that kept coming back to me in this moment was warm milk. Now, let me explain. Just a few months prior, during my flex year, Hugh joyfully announced one day that we were going to my favorite restaurant for a celebration. It was only after I devoured my steak did I manage to ask him what is it exactly that we're celebrating. So he goes on to explain. The family noticed I've been drinking warm milk often. My host mom, Catherine, decided to Google it. Google being Google, it suggested that one does this to help calm the nerves and deal with anxiety. Possibly I was a bit distressed by living with strangers. Now that I stopped doing this, they were very happy to know that I was finally comfortable in their home, which calls for a celebration. This American family will forever be the true heroes of my story. As cliche as it might sound, they really did open their doors and hearts for me, and I shall forever be grateful. Their absolute selflessness lives on in my work with civil society and projects that help empower Türkmen youth.
A magic open-air show of fire on the city's rivers. The offbeat art, electrifying music, and the finest food. It's the best way to fill the city. And get mixed in. I am content. I'm a Moscow fellow enrolled at Brown University in Ivy League school. Demanding professors, high-achieving classmates, and boundless opportunities around me. I should know the drill. I'm a UGrad alumnus, but this is different. This is my dream coming true. I am motivated. I dive right in and join the Brown University environmental team. Soon I find myself at the state capitol, presenting our research on climate change vulnerability to the House of Representatives. Our plan for action is the foundation for Rhode Island's first Climate Change Reduction Act. I am making a change. Fast forward, and it's my final week in Providence. My friends and I are sitting at our favorite spot near Bridge 875. It's the water fire again. I am sad I'm leaving this city that stole my heart. But I am ready to go back and share my incredible experience. I am inspired. All of us in this room are alumni with similar stories. Highly educated, skilled professionals, each of us works hard to strengthen our communities and make the life around us better. Together, we can bring our efforts to a bigger success. I am confident in Turkmenistan's future.
Cause I can see the sun up the sky, so I ain't going overdrive, baby. I can sleep until I feel your touch. I said, I can never say it on the phone. We'll never let you go this time, this time. Don't you go back no more. What you say if you go there? Don't you go back no more, no more, no more. What you say if you go there? Don't you go back no more, no more, no more. Don't you go back? They got money, just ain't no good. I guess if you say so, I have to pack my things and go. That's all.
presentation is being made to her for her continued work in promoting inclusivity of youth with disabilities in Turkmenistan through such initiatives as improving social protection through community-based social services, as well as her active role in providing opportunities and humanitarian assistance to vulnerable groups in Turkmenistan. Open World and International Visitor Leadership Program alumni, Gulia Choreklieva is awarded the Alumni of the Year Award in Disability Awareness.
began Technovation Girls last year, and that's one of the many programs she's worked on. She's the founder of the Google Developers Group, Tech Women, or Tech Makers, and a number of other city projects that she credits Tech Women, her program, her involvement in the Tech Women program, for inspiring her to get involved, to create these programs, and to inspire other people to be involved. She really values the power of community and getting people involved to come together with one vision. And so I'm so happy to award my friend, Maral,
dear USAID Country Representative Nino to the stage to present the third award of the night.
Thank you very much, Nigel. It's a great honor to be here with you today, and it's a great day for all of us at the American community, and it's a great day here in Turkmenistan. And I couldn't have been happier to announce the awardee for the Civil Society Development category. This person dedicated over 24 years of her life serving the society. And we are extremely pleased to have her as part of our program. And again, I admire this person's dedication, her drive, and her being able to dream big. And this person is Jimmy Akila.
more events like this, and I'm just so excited to see your excitement as well. It's my great privilege to announce our next awardee. She is one of the most active women in Turkmenistan in the STEM for women sector. She gained so many skills herself, but her first motto is to give back. And she has created many projects, but a few to mention. The Launch Life Boot Camp for 42 women that was provided free of charge and helped these ladies walk away with skills in web and mobile app development. She also sponsored the very first Women's Hackathon, where participants came together to create tech-driven projects that address issues that are related to gender equality and women's empowerment. She's an entrepreneur herself, and she provides educational services to STEM, to women, and the public at large. I'm so happy to say that for her contributions to the professional potential of girls and women, for her invaluable input into the development of the STEM fields in Turkmenistan, and for increasing awareness of the importance of technological education in the modern world, Merjan Sakwa Yoradova is awarded Alumni of the Year for Women in Empowerment. Please give her a hand.
Organization with 50 teachers who take an active part in encouraging students and teachers in the community to teach and learn foreign languages, as well as provide training in leadership skills and civic education. Her path in promoting education started in 1997, when she decided to work on changing existing teaching approaches and emphasize the need for teaching methods that would focus on preparing today's teachers to participate in all sorts of settings. Mubarak always encourages teachers to participate in international conferences as well as workshops in an effort to boost not only their motivation but also their students' motivation when it comes to learning English as well as anything related to the American culture and American values. So for her tireless work in promoting education and youth development in Turkmenistan, as well as her active role in improving English language skills of the population of the Labaf Vilayet, Fulbright Visiting Scholar Program alumna Mubarak Gurbanova is awarded the Alumni of the Year Award in Education.
On this stage, and I'm very thankful for everyone who is here. Thank you, Mr. Ambassador. Thank you, all members of the state government embassy. Thank you very much.